Hi, my crafty friends. This is Charmaine from Fantastic Crafts. I hope all of you are having a beautiful Wednesday. Today I'm going to be doing another card. It is whatever Wednesday, but I decided I wanted to make this pop-up interactive flower card. I think it's a gorgeous card. I didn't have a lot of time to decorate it as much as I would have liked to, but you get the idea of the card and how interactive it really is, and it's super simple to create. So first you begin with cutting 7 3x3 squares. So I just cut some cardstock, and you want to go with the lighter weight cardstock for this, just so the cards or the flowers fold easily. So first I take that all 7 of those to my scoring tool, and I score at 1.5. I turn it, I score at 1.5 again. Then I go from corner to corner on my 6-inch line, and then I score to get a diagonal score line. I do this with all 7 of those cardstocks. Then I fold it into a triangle once again, and one more time, and then cut it as if you were cutting a heart. This forms the petals of our flowers, and it's really pretty, and it's that simple. When you actually take the fold out, you will see that this card will have, pretty much a flower, so it'll have, I believe 8 petals. And what you're going to be doing is you're going to cut 1 petal away. So you cut 1 petal away, and then you are going to be coloring this flower in. I use my zinc marker, but you can use any kind of crayon, marker, pencil, whatever you have. I think marker may work better because it really saturates into your paper. So I just made some flower marks on the inner part of the flower. Then I went onto the outer edges and then also colored those edges in. You are trying to give this flower some depth, so this will add that depth and that dimension. Now, you don't have to color all the petals. You can leave one of the petals uncolored, because that is going to act as like a tab. So when you glue your flower together, that will be the tab. Then I took this Sharpie black marker and I added another layer of dimension and depth by doing the same exact thing to the center of the flower. Doing this really makes the flower pop and gives it an extra layer of dimension. So I went ahead and I did this to all 7 of my flowers. Then, as I said before, we kept that one tab open so it can be glued on to form that flower. So I just put a little bit of art glitter glue on that last petal without any color, and then I glued it on, and then it became a very nice 3D flower. And you can see that it has all that dimension from the layers of colors we added. Now, I created this template for you guys to see, so you know exactly where to put glue onto this flower to make this flower a pop-up flower. It is a little tricky, so I hope this template really helps. So to begin, we are going to take one of those flowers we created, and we are going to be putting sticky tape on all 3 of those petals, all 3 of those folded petals. Then we are going to take another flower and put it on the top, and then another on the bottom. Then we are going to once again put some more double-sided tape on all 3 of those side petals, the ones on the left, and we are going to put another flower. Then we are going to be putting double-sided tape on 4 of those tabs, those petals actually, and then we're going to be putting 2 more of those flowers. Then to end it, we are going to be putting double-sided tape on once again the middle 3 of those flowers, and then put the last and the 7th flower onto this 3D pop-up flower. I know this sounds really complicated, but once you do it, you will definitely get the hang of it right away. And also that template really helped me. So if you look back or pause the video and look at that template or create your own template, it will help a lot. So to put this card, this pop-up flower onto your card, you are going to be taking that middle petal and you are going to be putting the double-sided sticky tape on one side. Then you're going to put that flower down onto your card base. Then you are going to put another piece of double-sided tape on the middle petal and then close the card down onto the flower, and that makes your beautiful, gorgeous pop-up 3D flower. And what a beautiful birthday card this would be, or a Mother's Day card. I think I'm definitely going to be using this card now that, especially now that I know how to create it. It's just a really nice card, and you can tell that all that extra work that we did in creating that extra layer of depth in each flower really paid off, because it really made the flowers look real and give it more depth. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial today, and if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comment section below, and I will definitely either make a video to answer your question or answer your question if I can in the comment itself. I hope you guys have a beautiful day. Until the next video, bye.